Hola, me llamo Señor Adams. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre los verbos conocer y saber. You already know the present tense forms of saber and conocer. Saber and conocer both follow the pattern of regular ER verbs in the present tense, but each have an irregular yo form. Let's look at the verb saber first. In the verb saber, we have an irregular yo form. So we can see yo sé. It doesn't follow our normal pattern of ER verbs. SE with an accent. After that, everything looks normal again. Tú sabes, usted o ella sabe, nosotros sabemos, vosotros sabéis, ustedes ellos ellas saben. Saber means to know, facts, and information. Let's look at a few examples. ¿Sabes si tenemos tarea para mañana? Do you know if we have homework for tomorrow? So that would be a piece of information. ¿Sabes quién es el director de la banda? Do you know who is the director of the band? Knowing the person's name, that's what they're asking for in that one. You can also use saber with the infinitive of another verb to say you know how to do something. We have to use the formula saber plus infinitive, which means to know how to. Let's look at an example. Sé jugar al ajedrez. I know how to play chess. So in this example, we have the conjugated form of saber, yo sé, and then infinitive, jugar, to play. Let's look at the next one. Sé hablar el español. I know how to speak Spanish. Same thing. We've got verb ser, yo sé, and then hablar, to speak. Now let's look at the verb conocer. Yo conozco. Okay, again, we've got an irregular yo form. There's a Z in there, which is trying to make the C sound more like an S. Yo conozco. Then we've got tú conoces. Usted o ella conoce. Nosotros conocemos. Vosotros conocéis. Ustedes ellos ellas conocen. Conocer means to know a person or to be familiar with a place or thing. Let's look at a few examples of this. ¿Conoces al profesor de esta clase? Do you know the teacher of this class? So now we're asking, do you know this person? ¿Conoces al Club Atlético de la Calle 8? Do you know or are you familiar with the athletic club of 8th Street? Use the a personal when you use conocer to say you know a person. Guillermo conoce a mi primo Tomás. So in this example, we have to use a because we're talking about a person, my cousin Tomás. So anytime you have conocer, to know a person, we have to use a. Okay, I hope you're starting to understand the verbs saber and conocer a little better. Adios.